Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about why focus is so important and why it screws a lot of people up and holds a lot of people back from getting to the goals that they actually want to get to within their video or creative business. If you don't know me, my name is Deeran. I run Master Filmmaker, and to date, we've helped over 500 video business owners one-to-one close multiple 5- and 6-figure video retainers and build a business that they actually love and not a business that they grow to hate. In this video, it's going to be a shorter video, but it's going to be around mindset and why focus is so important and why focus is kind of like swinging an axe against a tree. So let's go ahead and dive into it. And let me pull up my trusty iPad here. So focus is, and I heard this analogy the other day, I think it's really good. Focus is like swinging an axe against a tree. So if this is a tree, right, what a lot of people do is they'll take one swing here, right, make a little cut, and then they'll do maybe 2 or 3 more swings, and then nothing will happen. And then they'll give up, and then they'll go to another thing, and they'll swing here. And then they'll swing up here, they'll swing up here, they'll swing over here, they'll swing down here. And then what happens is over time, because they don't stick with one thing and focus on one thing, what happens is over time, the tree just looks completely hacked up and down the tree, right? And so then you have this tree that has a bunch of hacks up and down the tree, but the tree never falls. But then on the contrary, what we want to do is we want to be focusing. And so what happens is when we focus, we cut here, and we keep hitting the same spot. This is an example of focusing on one niche, focusing on one customer avatar, focusing on one delivery method, focusing on one sort of marketing strategy to get leads, focusing on one sales system, focusing on getting those clients the best results humanly possible, focusing on one specific thing. And then eventually what happens is the tree begins to fall. And that tree falling is an example of your success. And unfortunately, a lot of times what people do is they'll simply just hack up and down the tree and then wonder why they're not seeing the success that they want to see. Now, this is super short. It's just something I had on my mind and something I wanted to share. So if you're struggling and you're like, I don't know why I can't grow or I'm not growing as fast as I want, look at your areas of your business, areas of your life where you're maybe not focusing and you're changing things. And I think as creatives, a lot of times we want to change. We want to do different things all the time. But the problem is if you're doing things all the time, the thing that made you an amazing creative is actually what's making you a terrible business person. Because businesses that are successful do the same thing over and over and over and over and over again. And they focus on one thing until they're successful at it. And then once you're successful at this one thing, now you have permission to move on and go do something else. The problem I see is a lot of people are just focusing on that one. They're going up and down the tree. They're not focusing on one thing and they're struggling, and that's why. So hopefully that was helpful. It's just something I wanted to get off my mind. But if you guys have any questions or you want to learn more about what we do here at Master Filmmaker, feel free to schedule a call below, and we'd love to help you guys focus and help you get to where you want to go and help you get to that next level. So if you want to learn more about that, click the link below, schedule a demo with the team, and we'll see you there.